everyone, welcome back to your channel now, your go-to spot for online tips, side hustles, and making money from home. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular freelance platforms on the internet, Fiverr. What is it? How does it work? And can you actually make money with it? Let's find out. That's actually where the name Fiverr comes from. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelancers. It's a platform where people offer services, also called gigs, starting at just $5. On screen recording a Fiverr homepage, highlighting the $5 gig concept. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, voice actor, video editor, or even someone who writes funny birthday messages as Batman, there's a place for you on Fiverr. How does it work? -1 o'clock. Here's how it works. In a nutshell, on screen. Step 1, create a Fiverr account. Step 2, set up your profile and list your services. Step 3, clients search for your gig and place an order. Step 4, you deliver the work, get paid, and build your reputation. You can also buy services on Fiverr. If you need help with something, like getting a logo made or having someone edit your video, can you really make money on Fiverr in that S when things can really take off? Absolutely, but it's not magic. ULL need to put in effort, from creating a professional gig to delivering high-quality work on time. On screen, examples of top sellers on Fiverr making hundreds or thousands. Some freelancers start slow, but as you get more 5-star reviews, your gigs move up in the search results. Tips for beginners tutorial. Here are a few quick tips if you're just starting out on Fiverr. On screen, use eye-catching thumbnails for your gigs. Write a clear and honest gig description. Offer a competitive price at first. Always deliver on time. Fiverr can be a great platform to get started. Or are you thinking of joining? Communicate professionally with clients. Remember, your reputation is everything on Fiverr. Happy clients equals more gigs equals more money. So, whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash or build a full-time freelance business, on screen, call to action graphics. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever used Fiverr? Outro music fades in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe button, watch. Next video, your logo or tagline.